Good evening, dinner time. Oh, rice. Anyway, we need rice because the ulam is chadan! Parang soup, ano? Pero hindi yan soup. Ano yan? Cream. Creamy sauce.
Chicken breasted soup.
Yes, it's a chicken breast
In soup.
in a creamy sauce. Kaya lang, ang cheese ay nahuli. Inawin natin yung cheese. Total, bagong luto siya. So, mainit-init pa. Ayan, nalulusaw na siya. Okie-dokie.
Didn't
Give
bring
me
a
a,
spoon.
give me a plate. I'll give it a big one.
Sit it on top of me. Rice. And then some juice.
Itong cheese ay 3 kinds of cheese sa isang pack.
Yeah, it's grated, and grated. But what
Ano
is it?
daw? Good for pizza.
Pizza cheese. What cheese is it?
I don't know. Read the label.
Mozzarella.
Yes, there's mozzarella.
Because you can see the stickiness here. Look,
Yes.
the stringiness.
Stringiness. Hindi ko pa ito natitikman. Siya ang pinatikim ko. Okay na daw ang lasa, kaya malaman. Yay! Ouch. Init.
Let's show them the finished product. Oh, you've got yours there. You'll see it.
Yes, they will see mine.
Oh, well, mine's on a better rice.
Ay, nako. There.
Well, I like the juice frumy rice.
Yan, sarap.
Yummy.
Okey-dokes. This is my rice. Lagi kami sa isang maliit na bowl. Sapat na yan. Masarap din to kung may mushroom. Yan, in mushroom sauce. Kaya lang wala kaming mushroom. Kaya
It's mushroomless sauce.
medyo late na nung ano.
Sauce.
Hey, let's just have it as it is. Koy, binuhos na yung lahat ng sauce.
Making a mess. I like sauce. You have to make this again with the mushrooms.
With the mushroom.
Nice, huh? But I think the mushrooms would make it, like give it that bit of extra body.
Extra
Yeah. Just give it what it hasn't got. Very nice, that baby.
Thank you. As long as he's happy, I'm happy. Hindi ko talaga type ang breast. Sapat ng chicken, yung breast ang pinakaayaw ko. Walang lasa. Okay naman siya. Hindi masama. Madali pa ito i-prepare. Yung chicken bubudburan mo siya ng asin at saka paminta. Tapos igugulong mo siya sa, pupulbusan mo ng harina. Tak-tak mong ganon. Tapos prituhin mo, brown it, set aside. Doon sa pinagprituhan, igisa mo naman ang onion at saka bawang. Tapos, yung sa recipe na nakita ko, walang gulay. Meron akong natitirang gulay. Tsaka para magkaroon naman ng konting kulay, di ba? Kung merong dyan, anong tawag na yun? Yung malunggay. Dilagyan ng malunggay, mas maganda. So, linagyan ko, ginisa ko muna yan, bago ko nilagay yung cream, at saka, chicken broth. Depende sa dami ng ng karne, ng manok. Tansyahin nyo na kung gaano kasabaw ang gusto mo. Dito sa niluto ko, 2 breast na malalaki. 1 cup chicken broth, at saka 1 cup ng cream. Pakukuluin mo na ngayon para maluto yung loob ng chicken. Kasi hindi mo naman siya lulutuin sa pagkaprito. Iba-brown mo lang. Yun na yun. Timplahan mo. Baka kailangan pa ng paminta at saka ng asin. Asin na. Dali lang siya. Lang kahirap-hirap. Marami naman sa YouTube. Gaya ko ngayon. Hinanap ko lang. Chicken breast recipes. Pwede namang hindi breast yung ganitong luto. Basta chicken. Depende sa'yo. Mag-experiment ka. There you go, guys. I'm gonna finish our dinner and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye, God bless.